Joshua, say apple.
Apple.
You say ball.
Ball.
Can you say potato?
Potato.
Say grandpa.
Hello.
Joshua, say grandpa.
Apple.
Say grandma.
Mama.
You say Becca.
Baba.
Can you say Mimi?
Mimi.
Can you say Poppy?
Happy.
Can you say Hannah?
Hello.
Good job, Olivia. Joshua, can you say Hannah?
Ow.
Can you say Sissy?
Sissy. Sissy. Sissy.
Can you say Meemaw? Meemaw?
Oh.
Olivia, be quiet. Say Meemaw.
Mimo, Mimo, Mimo. Mama.
Can you say Dada?
Dada.
Can you say Night-night?
Nana. Nana. Nana.
Joshua, no.
It's gonna play my wall again.
Joshua, can you say Sammy?
Hammy.